nonsense. That is a trap from my wallet. They just be hooting.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So to start my everyday makeup, I use my Clinique moisturizer, and I just put that all over my face and rub that in to get some nice moisture. And next step is some sunscreen. Oh my goodness. So I use this daily sunscreen, and it's just like a tinted sunscreen. I'm trying to find a new one. It's not very good, but yeah. Next, just some light eyebrows. I just use the Benefit in the shade 3, and I just use that to fill in the front part, and then I use my Essence. My Essence eyebrow size, the darker shade, just to fill in the tail and just to fill in the sparse areas. Nextly, I go in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I pop that all over my face. And for my foundation, I use the NARS Sheer Glow in Medium 2. This matches my fake tan at the moment, so I just blend that all in with my Beauty Blender. Yeah. Going in with my Revlon Youth Fix in Light Concealer, I pop that underneath my eyes and just to highlight some areas. I don't want too much foundation, that's why I've put a really light cover of foundation and just a bit of concealer just to lighten up my areas. So I just blend that all in. And then to set, I use my Stay Matte powder in Transparent and set my whole face under my eyes. Yeah, you know what it is. For bronzer, I use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in 022, and I just bronze up my face, mainly my whole face. I love bronzer, oh my goodness. And then furthering the contour, I use my Hoola bronzer, and I go in with more of a precise brush and actually contour properly, so around my forehead. They look really harsh lines at the moment, but I promise I do blend them out with my fluffy brush right here. Then just going in with my Mario Badescu face water spray and just spray that just to get some hydration back in. Now going in my Brow Artist, I just set all the hairs, so I use dark brown, I'm pretty sure. Just set them all in place so my brows aren't moving anytime soon. Going with the chocolate bar semi-sweet, I go in with peanut butter just to pop that in my crease. This is literally just a 2-second eyeshadow look, pretty simple. Then I'm going in with Truffled, which is the darker brown, and I mainly just put that on in the outer corner in the crease, lower in the crease, sorry, just like so, and then blend that out. And then I did spray my brush just with the Mario Badescu, and I don't remember what that shade's called, but it's the bottom one, and it's like the glitter. And I literally just put that just on my eyelid and then blend that out with the same brush. And that is the finished eye look. To go on, I used the Tarte Lashes mascara, and I love this mascara. It just gives so much volume and lengthens your eyelashes so well. My God. Then I use the NC Nutrimetics eyeliner, and I just popped that in my waterline, and I poked my eye out, which was great. My new highlighter is the Revolution Vivid one. I love it. You can build it up quite a bit too, so I just put a tiny bit on, like literally I did one swipe and it came off so nice. My God. And I put that in the inner corner and on my brow bone too. Just set in the face with the Urban Decay setting spray. And then to finish, the Lippy Lingerie from Tarte in the shade Delight. That's it, girl. And just put that on my lips. So that is my finished everyday kind of makeup routine. It took me literally 5 minutes. It's so good. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, Please like and subscribe, comment down below, you know what to do. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Team always on the news, and we always making moves. You must really be confused. Veruca saw how I chew up the gum. Y'all just be saw cause your views in the dump. Now this is real, the tattoos ain't for fun. Been on a journey, we shoot up and run. It's 2 and 6 when I step in this bitch. Keep talking about us, you might catch a fit. Everybody got sex,